Hello everyone, this is my today's trade. Now I'm just buy Bank Nifty 26,900 at 154 quantity. Now this is our trade. It is at 163 and our target is only 8 to 12 points. Already it is at 166 to 7 points. So I have to book at 165 my profit 10 points. So let's see what will happening. It is very easy to get 6 to 10 12 points. Okay. Patience is the key of success. Just wait, it will arrive at 165. Set the target 165. Maybe possible it will give more than 165, but we will done at 165 because it's look like risky. So now I am set the target 165. Done. Now let's see what will happen next. Oh, it's very close to our target. What is happening? Yep. Oh, it is done. And now today's profit 101k. So this is our strategy. Very not very risky and very do trade in very safe zone. So in 2-3 minutes 1100 profit in 2-3 minutes after brokerage 1000. Let 100 rupees brokerage, then this is 1000 rupees in 3 minutes, not a joke. So join HYT Financial Training for further details. Register now. This is Sajjad sir.